In this video, I will show you how to create a Slack account and create a new workspace in 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is open up a new internet browser and come across to the official website, which is slack.com. From here, if you come up to the top, you're going to see the pricing tab. So you want to click onto this first of all and choose the type of plan that you want to use. So you can see there's a few different plans such as free, pro, business and enterprise grid, and it's going to give you a quick summary of what you get with each different plan. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to go ahead and create an account on the free plan. So all you want to do is press the get started button on the plan that you want to create. So the first thing it's going to ask you to do is go ahead and enter your email address. And once you've done that, just go ahead and press continue. And what you're going to do is send a quick 6-digit code to your email address. What you want to do is just go into your email and put that code into here. So once you've gone ahead and grab the code and you put it into here, it's going to go ahead and check your code. And if it's correct, it's going to verify your email address and take you across to the next page. So the next page asks for the name of your company or team. So this is also going to be the name of your Slack workspace, so choose something that your team will recognize. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and call this one test and then press next underneath. Now what you can do is add your name and profile picture, so you just want to put your name at the top and upload a photo. This is completely optional, you don't have to upload a photo. And once you've done that, go ahead and press next. And at this point you can invite your colleagues to Slack. So what you can do is put their email address into here, or alternatively you can press this button to copy the invitation link and just send that manually to your team. If you don't want to do this just yet, just go ahead and press the skip step button down here. And next it's going to ask what your team's working on right now. So you just want to give a name for the project. Again, I'm just going to call this one test 1. And once that's done, you just want to go ahead and press next underneath. And what's going to happen, that's now going to take you across to the dashboard. So we've got our Slack account created, and this is what it looks like on the dashboard. So as you can see, it's created a workspace for us because we did that in our account setup stage. You can see this on the left hand side here. However, if you want to go ahead and create a new workspace, then what you're going to want to do is come up to the top and you want to click up here. And if you look down, it says add workspaces, and then you just hover over this and click on to create a new workspace. Now what it's going to do is take you through the same process as we've just gone through to go ahead and create a new workspace. So that's how to go ahead and create a Slack account and workspace in 2024. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.